Chapter 6, we focus on the similarity. We have 3 theorems or postulates to go. And before, we learned 5 constant theorem or postulates. Yesterday, we have a brief review. First one is SSS. This is congruent. Second, SAS. Number 3 is HL. Number 4, ASA. Number 5, AAS. So those 5 theorems for congruent triangles. Today, on chapter 6, we have only 3 theorems or postulates to prove 2 triangles are similar. Angle is first, and SAS, SSS, we have 3 only. The difference, SSS and this SS, it should be very clear. This SSS means every corresponding side is congruent. This SSS today is every corresponding side is proportional. They are not congruent. If they are congruent, if they are congruent, the triangles are congruent. They are similar. SAS, same thing. The angle A, 2 triangles are congruent. One triangle congruent to another triangle's angle. And the 2 included sides, this S, are not congruent. They are proportional, okay? Similarity. S means side proportional. Congruent, S means really congruent. Okay, that's the difference. Now, AA, angle similarity. If angle A, X, and angle J are congruent, and angle K, angle Y are congruent, by angle similarity postulates, they are similar by AA. Okay, please. So this is the first postulate or theorem we learn to prove 2 triangles are similar. Similar, AA is enough. We don't need sides. We don't need something else. Just 2 angle. 2 angle means what? This angle also congruent. Third angle must be congruent. If triangles 2 angles congruent, third angle must be congruent. So this one, to be honest, should be AAA. But you don't need to find this A. So 2A means 3A. Do you understand, please? 2 angle congruent means 3 angles congruent. But we call this theorem or postulate as a double A. AA. AA is enough. So if 2 angles of one triangle are congruent to 2 angles of another triangle, they are similar. Do you understand the question? Okay, now we have very easy practice. Which triangles are similar? We have 5 pairs. First pair, they are similar or not similar? If they are similar, why they are similar? Who is a volunteer to tell me, please? First pair, they are similar or not similar? Come on.
They are similar.
They are similar. Why they are similar?
Because same angles. Well, I used the triangle sum theorem.
Yes. Right angle, first angle. This angle is 18. This angle must be 72 degrees. This is common sense, right? Right triangle, 2 acute angles are complementary. So 72, this is 72. So this angle equals to this angle is enough. 2 angles. So by AA, they are similar. If you are confused, you don't understand, please stop me. Second question, second pair, that's similar or not similar? Similar or not similar? Yes? They are not similar. Because we cannot find 2 angles, right? Only this angle is congruent. This angle, we don't know. No. They are not similar. They are, maybe we cannot say they are not similar. We we are not sure they are similar. Yes. This one is sure similar. This one is not sure. Maybe not. Okay? Maybe not. So we cannot make sure they are similar. Number 3, similar or not similar?
Similar.
Yes, similar.
Similar.
Very easy. This angle is congruent. This angle is congruent. By AA is enough. First 3 is basic stuff. You have to know. Those 2 must happen to your quiz or test. Please. Similar or not similar? Yes?
Similar because you see there's one given.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Yeah, and then the vertical.
Yes. Vertical angle is one pair. Those 2, this is a pair is given by AA. They are similar. So give you one angle, but give you another angle. Maybe tell you it's vertical. Maybe something like this. Okay, please. Last one. Is that okay? Last one. They are similar or not similar? If they are similar, why is that similar? Yes. Yes. They are similar. Yes. Yes.
And then angle T and angle S are also congruent because they're
Corresponding
corresponding.
angle. 2 lines are parallel. You can see this angle is congruent. Corresponding angle, this is also corresponding angle. It's enough. 2 angles. So if the question give you corresponding angle, give you 2 lines are parallel, give you vertical like this, you should be careful. Okay, so this is not difficult work. Easy work. Now solve for x and y if possible. This is required for quiz. Okay, please. Who can tell me what does this mean? If possible means what? If possible means 2 triangles are similar or not similar. They are similar, possible. They are not similar, not possible. Okay, please? So you have to check. They are similar or not similar. If not similar, don't solve. Just no solution. If possible, solve for x and y. First question, similar or not similar? They are similar. Okay? Those 2 are parallel. This angle equals this angle by what? Alternate the interior. Okay? So this is vertical. So it's enough. Okay? It's enough. Similar. If they are similar, how to set up the equation? Who can set up the equation for me? This small triangle, this big triangle are similar. Who can set up equation to solve? Yes. Good.
Is it 5 over x?
5 over x. Good.
Equals, or no, plus.
Yes.
5 over x equals 3 over 2.
Thank you. Thank you. Good. 5 and x is corresponding side. 3 and 2 is corresponding side. If you use bigger triangle side over small triangle side, so 5 over x equals 3 over 2. Assumption that I want to use small one. So 2 over 3 equals to x over 5. You can see exactly the same thing. We learned a over b equals to c over d. So b over a equals to d over c is the same thing. Do you understand, please? After cross multiplication, x equals to 10 over 3. After cross multiplication, x is 10 over 3. Exactly the same thing. So you can use small triangles corresponding side over big triangles corresponding side. You can use big triangles congruent side over small triangles congruent side. It's the same thing, exact same thing. Be careful. 5 and 3 is correspondent. I choose bigger one, 5 over 3. 3 and 2 is another pair, correspondent. I choose bigger one, 3 over 2. Cross multiplication. Understand this? You have to understand this. Please, not difficult work at all, but you have to know. And the other questions, almost the same thing. Okay, almost the same thing. Right triangle. This angle is congruent. This angle is congruent. They are similar. Do you understand, please? Angle, right angle, right angle. This angle, given. Two angles congruent. Perfect, similar. Now, 7 over 3.5 equals to 149 square root over what? Over y. Do you understand me, please? So you can see 7 over 3.5. This is one pair. Hypotenuse over hypotenuse. Do you understand, please? You cross multiplication, just leave there the answer. So y equals to 3.5 times 149 square root over 7. You can simplify a little bit. You can get, and 1/2 square root of 149, because this is 1/2. So 1/2, 149 square root. Do you understand me, please? So if you cannot simplify again and again, you just leave there. So please, you can simplify, just leave there. 149, just leave there. Is that okay? Yes. You can find x, the same thing. And you can use 7 over 3.5 equals to 10 over x, cross multiplication. Is that okay for everyone, please? Good. Because of time, we go over next two, okay, please? SSS, similarity theorem. Be careful. Similarity theorem means SSS, 3S means the three sides are proportional, not congruent. So same thing, yesterday we showed you. I show you again. So we have two triangles are similar. This is 1, this is 3. This is 2, this is 6, this is 3, this is 9, just for example. Okay, please? So you can see those three sides are totally different numbers. They are not congruent, but they are similar or not similar. You have to check three sides. 1 over 3 is 1 over 3. 2 over 6, 2 over 6. 3 over 9, 3 over 9. If equal, proportional. If not equal, just stop. So 1/3. This is 1/3. This is 1/3. 1/3 equals 1/3. You understand, please? So corresponding side over corresponding is 1/3. We use small one over bigger one. Bigger one over 3 1 is 3 over 2. 3 over 1. So this is exactly the same thing. Okay, please? Now, last one, SAS. We discussed yesterday also for this question, please. And there's similar questions like this, please. If we know this angle is congruent, this side is 3, this side is 1. This side is 3, this is 9. This is 1, this is 3. So first, angle congruent, including the side 3 over 9 is 1/3 ratio. This side is 1 over 3. You can see proportional side, angle, proportional side, you get SAS. You understand me, please? If you have two sides proportional and included the angle also congruent, they are similar by side, angle, side. So we have learned angle. First, triple S, SAS, we have three theorems to check two triangles are similar. Why we have to check? If they are similar, you can solve the question by correspondence ratio, proportional to solve. If not similar, you just stop. The quiz test maybe happen to you. The question is not, they are not similar. Sometimes spend lots of them to solve. X equals 5, Y equals 7. You waste your time. You get no points. Do you understand, please? So you have to check. How to check? You have to use three ways to check. Maybe if you find two angles are congruent, of course, AA. If only one angle is congruent, you have to check two included sides. They are proportional, yes. They are not proportional, stop. If no any angle given, give you three sides, yes. SSS, 1 over 2, 2 over 4, 3 over 6. So please, now we have some very easy questions here, please. Those three pairs, similar or not similar? First, Similar or not similar? By why they are similar? Why they are not similar? Yes?
The first one is similar because C and D are congruent, and then the vertical pair.
Thank you. Because vertical is one angle pair. Given another angle pair, two pairs of angle congruent, perfect by angle. So by angle, they are similar. Second, similar or not similar? Similar or not similar? Not similar. Why not similar?
Because they're not congruent because one side's different than
For instance, we use AA. Can you find AA angle is congruent? Angle AA doesn't work, doesn't match. Can you use SSS? We only know two sides. We cannot find three sides. SSS doesn't work. Can you find SAS? Because we don't know any angle, you cannot use SAS. So no way. But it doesn't mean this is maybe similar. This is maybe similar, maybe not similar. Exactly to say this one is sure, similar. This is not sure, maybe similar. Do you understand, please? If this angle is congruent, they are similar. This angle not congruent, not similar. You understand, please? Last question, similar or not similar? Why they are not similar? Why they are similar? Yes.
Similar by SAS.
Good. SAS. Good. For instance, the small triangle, angle M, big triangle, angle M congruent to angle M by reflexive. They are congruent. One angle is good. One angle between this side over the whole length is 1/2. This side over this side is 1/2. Proportional. SAS. Perfect SAS. Is that okay, please? So this side is congruent. So this side is double this side. So 1/2. This is the same thing, 1/2. 1/2. Angle is congruent. Perfect SAS. Is that okay, everyone, please? Good. Now, last question. This question, everyone find in your notebook. You don't need to copy the question, okay? I don't want to give you stupid work to copy the question, okay? Copy the question, just waste your time. But you need to read the question carefully. Write down your notes, sketch the triangle, and decide if they are similar or not. I'll give you 1 or 2 minutes to finish. After finish, you do assignment on the board. So if you are confused, after 3 minutes, we work together. I hope you try to do something, okay, please? And read the question carefully. This is English question, okay? This is 100% English. So please, if your English is good, you are good, okay, please?